Welcome to the midweek recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Trieste kicks off the holidays with the grand opening of the Christmas Market 2025 in Piazza della Borsa. 71 festive booths, music, crafts and charity groups will bring the city to life through January 6th, turning Trieste into a vibrant winter showcase for all.
Per me è una cosa che sento molto perché con la famiglia voglio sempre stare insieme e dopo naturalmente per la mia città guarda cosa sta succedendo, è incredibile, insomma non ho mai visto tanta gente e tutti impazziti per Trieste, naturalmente io sono il sindaco e non può che farmi piacere.
Friuli Venezia Giulia's ski season has kicked off with a bang. Over 21,000 visitors hit the slopes this past weekend as resorts from Torvisio to Piancavallo welcomed skiers with plenty of snow and sunny skies. With low lift prices, extra activities, and the Women's World Cup coming in January, the region is set for a winter to remember.
Italy green-lights sex education with parental consent. A move critiques Islam as medieval, reopening a fierce debate on how to protect the nation's youth. Italy remains one of the few EU countries without compulsory sex education, still banned in primary and preschools. Do you believe sex education should be compulsory in schools in Italy?
Yes, I think at least a few hours just to have an idea. Yeah, more knowledge and some more consciousness of what you are going to experience.
Yeah, sex education is very important in Italy and not only in Italy. Child discover, and this nowadays more than in the past. Now in the 5-6 years with internet and something else, they know everything. So it's better if you teach us.
Yes, I think definitely it.
Why?
Because at home, parents maybe parents didn't have sex education when they were young, so they don't have the know how to explain yes to their kids.
Yes, I do. I think it's a very important thing to teach in schools because not everyone at home is able to teach sex education to children. So maybe in school, someone who is an expert could teach these things in school better than at home.
Credo che possa essere un grandissimo aiuto, sì, assolutamente. Io lo inserirei.
Perché?
Perché fare formazione è sempre meglio che andare alla scoperta senza sapere.
Non è il contrario, obbligatoriamente no.
No?
E invece penso che ognuno debba fare guidato da dei sani principi, debba fare le sue scoperte.
E se questi sani principi non ci sono nelle famiglie, cosa si fa?
Questo è un problema, ma non riguarda la scuola.
Perché io credo che invece debba riguardare la scuola, sede di educazione.
In 2025, treni storici in Friuli Venezia Giulia hit a record, a 20% jump in rides. Regione Friuli Venezia Giulia, with FS Treni Turistici Italiani and Promoturismo FVG, will expand the 2026 schedule and bring even more vintage rail experiences across the region.
Riguardo Palazzolo, e devo dire la verità, stiamo crescendo grazie anche al treno storico che ci vede le pubblicazioni nei siti, e devo dire insomma stiamo pensando di istituire un ufficio turistico minimo per Coraggio perché
a very good period in 2025, especially for Gorizia, for the European cultural capital, and for 2026 we will have the remember of the earthquake that the next year will be the 50th year of this event. In this year we had 39 trains, historical trains, in all parts of the region, and the next year we will make the same to promote our region for our citizens and for tourism.
At the University of Trieste, more than 500 aspiring doctors and dentists are sitting for Italy's nationwide medical admissions exam. Biology, chemistry and physics tests are underway simultaneously across the country, all feeding into a single national ranking. It's a high-stakes day for future medical students, and Trieste is one of the key campuses at the heart of it.
I'm a little nervous because there is a lot of pressure, because it's like the last opportunity this year we have, so yeah, but I'm I'm sure I studied more than the other time, and yeah.
Allora, devo dire che nonostante io abbia passato i 3 esami, sia ancora molto insicura se sono entrata o meno. Comunque sicuramente il posto nella seconda scelta dovrei averlo e questo mi tranquillizza, ma allo stesso tempo sono molto preoccupata sia per i miei compagni che magari non sono ancora entrati, sia nella mia situazione perché non ho avuto alcuna graduatoria provvisoria che mi faccia almeno dedurre dove io possa entrare, perché comunque ho inserito molte sedi, più di 30, e quindi la mia posizione non è certa e quindi vivo ancora nel dubbio.
I feel very stressed because I tried the first exam and it went well. I mean, for like the average result that everyone got, it went well, but I think they structured the exam in a way that it's very stressful for the students and they don't know what to expect and they even don't know what to study. So I tried my best and I tried to study everything that I could and I tried to do my best, but I don't know how it's gonna go.
Sono abbastanza in ansia, soprattutto per come è andata la prima volta, però ce la metterò tutta, insomma. Io ho dato il massimo e più di così in questo tempo limitato non potevo fare, però spero andrà bene, sì.
Italy has scored a global first. Its entire cuisine has been recognized by UNESCO as a cultural treasure. From family recipes to communal meals, Italian food is celebrated as a living tradition that connects generations.
Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.